Hello, today I'm very excited to bring to you an honest review of these reusable ice packs here. So these are gonna be hot and cold packs right here. So you can use them for hot or cold, and it's super nice. It's got this nice strap right here, as you can see. So this is gonna give you the ability, if you wanna strap this onto your ankle, your back, your head, anywhere like that, you can go ahead and strap it on like so. And it's got this little Velcro piece at this side. This right here is where you're gonna actually put that pack in. So if you're gonna take it out of the freezer or something, go ahead and take out the pack and then throw it in here just like so. It's got a little sleeve here with a Velcro strip as well to go ahead and keep it in. So I'll go ahead and do that for you so you can see what it looks like. And just like so, we got that nice cold pack in here. And then let's say you wanna go ahead and use this over your head or somewhere like that. We're gonna go ahead and grab this nice Velcro strap area. We're gonna go ahead, put this around, let's say my forehead here. I'll go ahead and grab the strap, put it all the way around just like so, and I can strap it on just like so. And it will feel absolutely amazing with that nice cold gel. And it's really cool that you can use this for hot or cold depending on what you're looking for. But I'd highly suggest to definitely check this out. It's got a nice adjustable strap here that works great.